What is confidence? You can see it everywhere. Confidence is when you know from the beginning that you will succeed, that what you do will hold, fit, work out, and last. Confidence is not built in a day, but in many moments of endorsement. It arises on strong ground, built by the ones who empower you to achieve your goals. So, whenever you see confidence, you also see partnership. That's what we have believed in at Uponor for almost 100 years. We build on partnership with our clients, suppliers, and stakeholders, creating holistic solutions for all building types. We build on shared know-how, quality, and sustainable results, with 3,700 dedicated Uponorians in 30 countries. Because we build on partnership, we are a leading player today, and far more than a manufacturer of pipes. Uponor stands for innovative solutions in infrastructure, in drinking water delivery, and in radiant heating and cooling that enrich people's way of life. Providing consulting, services and support throughout all project phases. The foundation of every successful partnership is trust. This is the foundation you can build on, both metaphorically and literally. And the reason why whenever you see confidence, our partners endorse us by saying, "We build on Uponor."